take you along today to show you what we're recording. So on the agenda is building a campfire and just recording it as it fizzles out for a relaxing video. So we've got the whole gang here. Tito's along for the ride, and we're gonna make a pit stop along the way.
Going to Shields, my favorite place. So not only are we gonna be checking out what our main objective is, but I also want to see if they got some ammo. So we'll see how it goes.
Yep, so Shields is our favorite place to go. So we are going to show you the fire, and we'll also show you our hack for fire starters. We've learned a cool way, an easy way to just build our own fire starters and bring them with us. Like a theme park in here.
This is why it's my favorite store.
Yeah.
For the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. It's like a big kid. Okay, so we are heading to the camping section. We're gonna look at backpacking chairs, the micro-sized chairs. We just recently received a set as a gift, so we want to purchase a higher end brand and compare, and we can let you know. Oh, there it goes. So we can let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money to get top of the line, or if you can just stick with something like on the midline. So we will show you both and compare when we get it all set up. Chair section, and they only have one micro-ish chair, and actually the chairs that we have are smaller than this. So I think we're gonna have to add a stop to REI and see if they have something that we can work with, but David has to hit his favorite section, so we'll follow him over there.
So when I built my rifle, I got 6.5 Creedmoor when it wasn't as popular. Now it's like impossible to find.
Alright, so we're trying to decide.
I say we test this out.
Yeah, David's testing out like a bicycle seat.
It just doesn't pack, like that's the thing, it's long, but
his dilemma is he doesn't want to have to build a chair when he gets to his spot to sit down.
Quick to sit down.
So this one you can just kind of unfold and quickly sit on it, and it's only $22.50.
Yeah. Well, you want to try this one on?
Yeah, let's do that. All right.
It's bigger, right?
But no, it's the same size pack, but it's lighter.
Okay.
And then we'll see if the setup process might be different. So what is this one?
It's REI Co-op Flexlite Air.
Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna try this one out. You can see the price tag here. All right, so we'll let you know which is better. Up. Got Tito all bundled. So first things first, getting the firewood going so we can start the recording, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the camping chairs and fire hacks and everything.
It's a little cold.
Yeah, I think what is it, like
20?
20?
Yeah, it's like 23.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's good.
Over there, what do you think better for angles for the...
I like the waterfall up there. Yeah. What'd you say?
Waterfall?
It is. It's like a baby
waterfall.
Yeah.
So make your campfire a lot easier by doing this. You didn't take the time to make tinder and of different sizes, and get yourself a good log splitting axe too. Next shot, you should be seeing me lighting this thing.
We're only hours away.
Yeah.
All right, David's setting up the camera and then we'll get the fire started. So he's actually using our solar powered generator and then like a continuous battery, I don't know the technical term, so that the camera can just keep recording without having to switch that battery out. So we're moments away from action.
So the perfect hack to having fire starters is getting a bunch of cotton balls and petroleum jelly and just spending like 15 minutes and just dousing like 100 of these. They store easily and they stay lit for a really long time, so it works perfect.
See little Tito had to have his chair set up so he could get bundled in. Oh, it's chilly out here. Sportneer, and we received a set as a gift, and so they're like nice small size to pack in a backpack, and they weigh 2 pounds each, including the case, and the specs say they hold up to 350 pounds, so if you're on the larger side you could have this. So let me show you how to set it up. It's a little bit complicated because there's just so many little poles you have to put together. So they're actually, I mean, they're comfy to sit in. They're a good size. I flip backwards in it immediately. Yeah, so they're comfortable. You feel like you can kind of lean back and relax in it. So these are a good choice if you just want something, a set of 2. Inexpensive. We'll put the link on there. I think it's right under $50 for both of them, so not too bad for a lightweight chair.
Yeah. And then we got this one here, Maria. It's $100. Significant difference in price. Also half the weight, so it's only a pound. And then I believe it can hold
250 pounds.
250
yeah.
pounds? Yeah, so I'm right on the edge of that, so we're about to find out.
You're gonna have to watch your weight
yeah,
when you're
exactly.
on this chair.
Yeah. So this is actually the first time doing this, so bear with me here. So the footprint is definitely smaller. This looks like it has better support.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger, higher off the ground.
I think I got this backwards.
No, it looks right. How does it feel?
Doesn't feel stable.
Really?
Yeah.
Bummer.
I don't know. Almost feels like a hammock.
Huh.
Like the fabric is stretching and stuff, so yeah, we'll see.
Alrighty, so we've both, well, you can't see, we've both decided that the Sportneer is actually better The only issue, not issue, but the only difference is that it's 1 pound heavier. So if you're backpacking, you know, out on the trail, 1 pound makes a huge difference. But for us right now, it's just easier and it's way more stable than the other one. So
I'm still liking the little one. The one that's just like a cup for your
yeah,
butt.
the little bicycle seat.
Yeah. So yeah, $50 for 2, definitely a good buy in my opinion.
Definitely
but
better.
This is short term though. Like this is the second time we've had them out, so you know, time will tell with how long it'll last. But so far, good first impressions.
Yeah. If anything, you could buy 4 for the price of that 1 chair, and then after these wear out, use the other 2 later. Yeah, but all in all, we think the Sportneer is the better choice. It is the more cost-effective choice too. So we're gonna sit here, watch our fire, drink some hot chocolate that we packed and brought along, try to keep little Tito warm. Behind the mountain, so it's gonna be dark.
Chilly.
Yeah, chilly for sure. It's gonna be dark here, hopefully in a few minutes. But we're what, an hour in? How long have we been recording?
We're about a little over 45 minutes in.
45 minutes worth of recording, so we'll probably make it to about an hour.
We're going until that fire dies.
Yeah, we'll be here all night, and then we're gonna pack up and head back in. So we will wrap it up soon.
It's been a great day.
Yeah, it has.
Other than not being able to find ammo and the chair at Shield.
Yeah, the letdown
Still
of the
a cool
chair.
store.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a bad first impression of Shields.
Yeah.
Usually it's really cool, but for some reason they don't have micro chairs. So
We rode that Ferris wheel.
yeah, and next time we'll ride the Ferris wheel just in case. So there's something cool going on. Alrighty, I'm getting chairs packed up and putting everything in the truck. David's just
Frozen to death.
yeah, freezing, trying to keep Tito warm while we wait for the fire to go out. So we've been recording a little over an hour and it's almost dark, so that's why I want to get everything packed up so we can head out when it's time.
I almost feel like Jack Nicholson in The Shining right
Yeah,
now.
you're losing your
Frozen in
mind.
the snow.
Oh yeah. Tito too. We can't tell if he's tired or just not happy. All right, well, we hope that you enjoyed seeing some of the behind the scenes of our Harmonious State footage, and if you ever build a fire, we hope you feel like a pro now that you've watched David. And so yeah, so like this video and subscribe so you can keep up with us, and we're gonna keep showing you our exploration around Utah. All right,
Take care, guys.
yep, bye guys.